Realizing that there is a true and serious skill gap in the world, Laney College has taken it upon itself to develop career and technical education programs that focus on bridging the skill gap. We have incorporated internships, apprenticeships, classroom speakers, tours, as well as some hands-on activities for our students in order for them to get a real-world view of what it would take for them to be successful in their chosen careers.
So I've been exposed to a lot of technology that I was not before, as well as people and industries that I wasn't before. So for example, I got to work out of the Fab Lab, see a lot of cool projects, sometimes design. There's a lot of resources that Laney has and that I'm discovering that are underused, and I think I've been very fortunate enough to take advantage of them. One of them is this internship.
So yeah, I was able to gain this like hands-on experience with seeing what works and what doesn't in a Fab Lab, and I find that experience to be incredibly valuable and something that I will continue to reference in my future careers.
Having these two interns for the last few months has been extremely helpful for my company. It's actually allowed me to take on a bit more work and do a bit of scaling. And I actually have an intention of hiring both of them once the grant funding is up.
Somebody has to be managing all of this connectivity between devices and machinery and sensors and the whole data revolution that we see. So there are skills gaps in terms of the ability to interface with these systems and do the IT part of it and the programming part of it. Some of these jobs are emerging very rapidly, and so we don't have a clear definition of the skills involved. What we get from traditional sources is almost nil. From the Bureau of Labor Statistics or other sources, we're not getting the kind of information we need.
The next 5 to 10 years, this is what we will be needing. And so you need to develop some of the skills. And so now you have the courses there, the CTE programs there at Laney, and you go and you can get the education here. And so I mean that's a full spectrum, is the education to employment.
Industry really needs to invest with our educators as partners, starting all the way from high school, middle school, community college, because we have to grow our workforce. And there can't be a gap between what industry needs and what educators are doing. And that's why this is just essential for us to build a strong workforce in the future, is to become partners.
And it also provides wins for our college educators and our high school pathway leads, because they're also connecting at this point as well. Yes. So they can share curriculum, they can build our curriculum that becomes seamless, and they can build from high school to college and from college back to high school.
Thank you very much to you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.